Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download driver for Lexmark. This here for the serial, this here for the your tablet driver download. So I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website, you click here. This why website loading. It's here for the printer. You're looking the title driver and support. You click here the title and this why landing page loading and not search automatic. Maybe this here for you click the driver and download. This one. Okay, your paste the your model. Okay, this here for the your model and you paste your model. You scroll down and this here for your operating system will detect automatic your the Windows. This here for my operating system. And if you change the operating system, you click here. This is for operating system for the Linux, for the Windows, for the Linux, for the Windows, for the Mac. I'm sure for the Linux, and you click the Linux version. You click here. This here for March the Linux version. I am testing for the OpenSUSE. Okay, OpenSUSE and Fedora. I'm testing for the Fedora. And this here for the Fedora the driver and the driver printer for Red Hat and SUSE Linux and looking the compatible your operating system and click all. This here for the not new update for the Fedora for the Linux, and I'm sure for the window for the Mac. This here for the Mac version Mac 12 not version for the Mac not update your version. This here for all the version not update, and I'm sure for the Linux. For the Windows, I'm sure for the Windows, and this here for Windows version. And yes, this here for the update for the Windows version. And this here for the Windows 8 the driver, Windows 11 driver, and this here for Windows 7 driver. You scroll down, this here for Windows 9 driver, Windows 9.1 the driver, and Windows Server driver. And this video I'm need download driver for the Windows 11, like here for the Windows 11. And you looking the release update, and this here for the new release update for the Windows 11. And you looking the language, this here for March the language, and I am recommendation for you download for the package. And this here for the printer emulsion driver, and this here for the package, and this here for new update. Okay, this here for a package update. Okay, and I am recommendation for you download here universal print driver installation package, and this here for the universal print driver support the Windows in the version for the Windows 11, and this here for the language English. And if you need change the language, you click here. This here for March language support, and this here for the release update, new release update. If you need to download, you click here. You click here, start download, start download. Okay, this driver the load. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please swipe the finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, and you double click file, you click like, and you click finish. Is here for you detect automatic USB cable printer. Yeah, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time in the video.